Hello everyone, my name is Rituja Patil. My roll number is 2501445, and for the IEP assignment my topic name is why richer are getting more rich in India. In India, top 1% owns the huge share of the country's wealth, while the millions are still struggling to meet their basic needs. If India is growing fast, then why are some people are getting more benefits of it and others are getting nothing of it? This situation is called wealth and income inequality. It simply means that money and resources are not equally distributed among everyone. The rich are getting richer because they are not just earning more; they are growing their wealth into faster than the other population. They invest. The rich they earn more. They invest more. They put their money into stocks, real estate, and the other businesses, which give them multiple returns. While on the other hand, the lower middle class and the lower income people, which they grow very slowly because of the salary, because salaries grow very slowly, and this brings the huge gap between richer and poorer. And also the rich people have better access towards the education, they have better connections, they have better financial resources, so this gives them a head start. Also the better jobs, infrastructure, and income opportunities are better in the cities compared to rural areas, so rural population lags behind this. Also the rural area people don't know much more about the stock market and everything, so this also brings a lot of setback to the rural population. um, Job equality problem is also there. Many people in India work for the low paying job. These job they don't get a financial stability or financial growth from these jobs. Still they have to work it because this is like their daily saving things, which increases which and through this increasing wealth is more difficult. So the if the India is truly growing, then it should grow together rather than like growing like some sector of India is growing more efficiently rather than others. So this is the real question is.